And welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok account freeze problem on Android. So many users are complaining this their TikTok account got freeze. Your account gets frozen when you watch your own uploaded video and when you upload someone's video on your TikTok account. Now if you found that your TikTok analytic is stuck on your white screen and your video is not getting viewed, that means your account is now frozen and you need to unfreeze your TikTok account. To unfreeze your account, you need to follow these instructions on TikTok. So what you have to do is you have to tap on your profile picture first, tap on these three bars in the top right corner and go for settings and privacy. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on this report a problem and now tap on this report, click on it, chat with us, and now you need to tell them about your problem. If you don't know what to write, then just type this: Hi TikTok, I am sorry I didn't follow the community guidelines. Please, my account got frozen. Solve my problem and I will never do anything against the rules. Then you have to simply tap on this send button and TikTok will help you to unfreeze your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.